will draw this eye in 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes. Normally drawing an eye like this takes me a few hours, so this is going to be extremely difficult. I have my paper ready, so let's go. Let's start with the 10 seconds one first. I'm actually like genuinely terrified, so okay. Okay, that's it done. Fabulous work of art. Let's do the next one. Okay, started. Oh my god, 1 minute actually goes by really quickly. 10 seconds. No, I didn't think. 3 seconds. I honestly don't know which one's worse. Timer has been started. Okay, we have a bit more time, but still, lesson learned from last time, not as much time as we think. It actually goes by so fast. Trust the process. Or don't. Looks like a sunflower right now. Oh my god. Guys, where's my highlighter? Always helps adding highlights to the eyes. Blend. Oh my god, guys, we have 5 minutes. Now we go in with the skin. Tiny pencils don't help in this situation. Why am I standing? I'm literally standing and drawing this. Why am I making life more difficult? I don't know. But look at that, actual professional. Okay. We're done, yay! Honestly, you would not think these were the same reference photo. I'm actually really proud of how the last one turned out. It actually looks really good. Not there. We have 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes. I'm actually so proud of this. This would have taken me so long to do, but we managed to do it in 10 minutes, yay! I tried my best, and that's all that counts. Make sure to subscribe for more, and if you want to see if Prismacolor pencils are worth the hype, click here. Thank you, bye!